You are my girl now. Let's put this there. You help me, okay? Come here. Come here. Let me see. There. Like that. Cool. And bring Mali in your arms. In here. Like this. And then you put your hand in there, okay? Chin up to me. That's it. Perfect. You're doing great. I think I will put him in white. With the one arm from underneath. Can you show some legs? Hopefully. Yes, Nina. You'll sit with him, okay? Good job. Let's show his feet. Would you like to sit down? Good job. Oh. Good job. Perfect. Yes, that's it. Now I need those ones away. Yeah, not here. Here, put them there. Put them there. Put them there. Okay, Nina? You hold him there, okay? Exactly like that. You want to? Okay. Come on. Come closer to him. Yeah, that's it. Oh, good job. That's it. Stay there. You're itchy. Okay, let's put you something underneath so it's not so itchy. And put your legs this way. Can you hold your legs like that so I don't see your undies? You put your hand under there. Carlo? You wanna go on your side a bit? Like that? Head to me. Yes. Can you hold his toesies? His toesies? Yeah. Nina, head towards me. Perfect. I'll take the shot. It's not perfect. Can you see me? Yes. Head a little bit higher, Nina, for me. Yes, like that. Like that. Stay like that. Okay, Carlo, come back to Nina. Perfect, Nina. Perfect. Carlo. Yes. Perfect. I just need to short your head because you're perfect. You're not in line with Nina. Okay. Head under. I'm here. That's it. Can you stay there for me? Yes, like that. And can you hold
We're going to chipmunks now.
your nose?
Chipmunks.
What's that? Chipmunks?
Oh, me.
Me? Okay, look at me and I tell you when Nina head towards me. Chin up. Like this. Carlo, head towards. Okay, everybody looking at me. Yes. Nina, legs down. Like that. Perfect. Hold your baby. Chin up. Chin up. Like that. Can you stay like that for me? Like that. Stay like that. Look at me. Up. Nina. Perfect. You'll have to hold his hand. Oh, hey, where are you going? Stay there because I bring baby towards you. Okay? Where are you? Okay. Can you hold the baby? That's it. Can you stay there for me? Stop there. Chin up, Nina. Stay there. Can you stay there? No, I count to 5, okay? 1. Looking 2, 3. Look, where is my big smile? Nina, head towards me, big smile. Say cheese. Can you say ice cream?
Ice cream.
Who likes candy? Do you like candy?
Yeah, I like
Can you say candy?
candy.
And when you say you put your okay. Say
Candy.
candy. Candy. Leave your hand down. I can see your undies. Ready? Say candy.
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 Say candy. Ah! Say candy. Ah! Say candy. Ah! Put your hands on him. Okay, who is ready for tickle? Candy! Nina, hold your hands there. Drop your shoulder for me. Drop it. Cool. Let's arrange your hair. Lift your head a bit for me. So I'm ready. Yes, perfect. Let me hold your. Are you ready for one more tickle? Are you ready? Hug him. Hug him. Come on this side. Yes, like that. Okay. Need to lift you up a bit so you can be in the same. No, you stay good. You're good. I need you. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Where is my hand? One more photo. Chin up. Okay. Photo. Okay. Ready to say candy? Look at me. Chin up. Like that. Can you stay like that? Oh, so good. Okay. Say. Say candy. Oh. Go back.
I didn't say candy.
You didn't say candy. Should we tickle her? She didn't say candy. Let's tickle her. Or should I tickle you? Okay, I think we got it. It's fine. You're good. One more with you and Baba. Yeah. Stay there. Hold. Kiss him again and don't move. Stop there. Stay. Stay like that. Close your eyes. Beautiful. You're done.
Good job, Nate.
High five. Oh my god, I love you so much. Okay, out. I
Loves you
love
'cause
you
you're
so
being
much.
a good
You're
girl.
being such a good girl. Okay, let's do some family pictures here.
Yes. Daddy, Carlo.
Okay.
Yalla.